What is that, you might ask? Wait a minute, who is that talking? Is that Abe? That is Abe. What's happening? What's up, guys? Welcome back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. I know it's been a minute since I've seen you guys. But what's up? What you guys been up to? Anyways, enough of that jibber jabber. Back on to the box. Let's get on to the box. I got something in the box that I've been waiting for a long time now, and I am really excited to have it. So let me show you guys. What's in the box. So the box. It's all nicely bubble wrapped. Sorry, box. Alright, so here we have our awesome center console. I'll show you guys. Not center console, center cup console. I'll show you guys. Alright, so guys, what we have here is pretty much the centerpiece that goes where the shifter is, and it has cup holders. So in my car, I'll show you. In these Mark IVs, the cup holder is right here. It's a piece of shit. This is the shitty like a lot of stuff in this car. This is one of the shittiest things that they have in here. So, yeah, I put a cup inside of here and it'll just tip over and fall out. And I got juice all over the floor, soda, whatever. But yeah, this is a piece of crap. So, I'm no longer going to use this. I'm actually going to take this out in a later project to put an equalizer in there. But that comes later on in life. But this center piece cup holder goes right here. See right here. Now mines have no cup holders. It's just change, lighter, more change. So I am actually super duper excited to have, you know, a cup holder. This is supposed to be a rare part. Not a lot of Mark IVs came with these. I don't even know if the GLI comes with one. I'm not 100% sure. If you guys know, you guys can drop a comment down below. But yeah, I'm super excited to have this. So let's get this installed in and let's get a cup in this sucker. Guys, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am to have this cup holder in here. Like, I've wasted countless amount of drinks because I would sometimes have to shove them right here inside of there, or inside of the one on my side of the car, or if not, they get forced in here and they hit the top of my shifter and crap, and then it's too freaking much, man. It's just too freaking much. I love having a top shifter. That's not going away. But I have a cup holder. No, I have a big cup holder. That's a big one. That's a small cup holder. And I have a backside cup holder that goes out to people, turns into a secret compartment. Bro, this is so awesome. Guys, you guys gotta drop a like down below for the cup holder. You guys gotta drop a like down below for the cup holder, man. That cup holder is just, that's too much. That's too much for me. Driving now and can put my cup in the middle. Ooh, that boy too happy. Hey mama, guys, I don't know if last time you guys got mama, but look how big she's getting. Come say hey to everybody, mama. Come say hey. Can't say hey? Okay, we can move that. Can't say hey? Can't say hey to everybody? Oh, you're so beautiful, mama. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah. I love you. You going to play? Yeah. Okay, go play. So, now, it's time to empty out all the change. Close my trunk. Let's empty out all the change that we have accumulated inside of here, which probably is not a lot. But now it's time to do the ultimate thing that I have always wanted to do to this trashy behind centerpiece. It is so trash, Volkswagen. Thank you very much for making an awesome part. But you are only good for the trash. Goodbye. Now, let's go look at my awesome cup holder one more time before I let you guys go. There she is. Awesome cup holder. Amazing cup holder. So yeah. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for this video. Guys, remember, do like and subscribe. Abe is back making videos again, so I will check you guys out in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.